Good morning, Year 3 Amber. Mr. Goodall here. You may be wondering what I'm doing in my car. Today, we are going to be doing word problems. So, I have to deliver some cards to 6 friends in 1 hour. So how many minutes does that give me per one card, to deliver these? I'll tell you more about it once I've done the round. Wow, that went by pretty quickly. So, question was, again, 6 cards in 1 hour. So, let me show you upstairs my method of working that out. So the question here is, Mr. Goodall has 1 hour to deliver cards to 6 friends. How many minutes can he spend on each delivery? So, we have 1 hour, which equals 60 minutes. So I have 6 friends who I'm delivering cards to. So here I'm using bubbles, just like I did for the hours, but instead of hours, they are representing friends. So I'd like you to put a dot representing 10 minutes in each bubble until you run out of dots. So there should be no more than 60 minutes. So see if you can have a go. So after having spent 5 or 10 minutes on this question, let me give you the answer. So I'm going to put a dot representing 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we have 50 minutes left. Put a dot in here, we have 40 minutes left. Dot in here, 30. Dot in here, 20. Dot in here, 10. Dot in here, 0. So as each dot represents 10 minutes, Mr. Goodall has 10 minutes to deliver each card. So it's approaching dinner time in the Goodall household, and for dinner tonight I've chosen to have roast chicken. So I've put my chicken into marinade for 50 minutes, and I'll need to cook it in the oven for 45 minutes. So altogether, how long is it going to take me to make this chicken? Let me show you it broken down in writing upstairs. So our question here is, Mr. Goodall is marinating a chicken for 50 minutes and cooking it for 45 minutes. How long will this take altogether? So to work it out, first of all, we'd have to add 50 and 45 to get a total. And what I'd like you to do is minus 60 from that total to make an hour bubble with 60 minutes in, and see how many minutes we have left. So if you can take 10 minutes to work this out, and then I'll go through it with you shortly. Please pause the video here. So the answer to this question, for the first bit, we're going to add 50 and 45. So 0 add 5 is 5. 5 add 4 is 9. So that's 95 minutes. So we need to take away 60 from 95. So 5 minus nothing is 5. 9 minus 6 is 35. So then we have our hour bubble, of 60 minutes. So the dots are 10 minutes each, as I stated in previous questions that we've done on this topic. So we have 35 minutes left. So to minus 60 would put us into the minuses, which we do not want. So the answer to this is 1 hour and 35 minutes, because we have 35 minutes as remainder as well as 1 hour in the bubble. So 1 hour 35. So now it's time for a movie. So it's 3 p.m. now and dinner is at 6. So I've got my favourite film to watch. Some of you may know it. So the running time is 143 minutes. I don't know if you can see this on the back of the DVD. So it's 3 p.m. and dinner is at 6. So how long have I got to watch it?
Dinner's at 6.
Thanks, Dad, I'm filming. One of his saving graces is that he's a great cook. So our question here is, Mr. Goodall wants to watch a film before dinner. The film, Superman, is 140 minutes long. It's 3 p.m. now and dinner is at 6. Will he be able to do so? So what I'd like you to do is similar to when we converted minutes into hours. So 143 minus 60, and see how far you can break this down using the bubbles and seeing how many minutes are left. Similar to what we did on the previous question. Please pause the video while you take 10 minutes to work this out and see if I will be able to watch my film, because it's my favourite film, and I hope I do. So let's begin with our answer. So 3 minus 0 is 3. We can't do 4 minus 6, so I'll have to do 14 minus 6. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So we have 83 minutes left. So that's an hour bubble here with 60 minutes in. So let me just make that clear. And so 83 minus 60. 3 minus 0 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So here's our second hour bubble. As 23 is too small a number to take 60 away from, we'll have to leave it at 20 minutes. So we have 2 hours and 23 minutes. So the film, Superman, is 2 hours and 23... Sorry, make that 3 clearer. Minutes. So as it's 3 p.m. and dinner will be at 6, that leaves us a 3-hour window. So yes, I will be able to watch Superman. So I hope you found these word problems useful, as these will come up in maths tests, and you might stumble across these problems to do with maths in real life contexts. So please submit your work to year3@grange.harrow.sch.uk and let me see how you've done. Thank you very much.